Now we'll need to remove this central panel on the rear door. You have to start from the side and pull it towards yourself. And this is how it looks. And the part number. And now I will reinstall the panel